Good afternoon po, sir.
Hello. Hi.
We are from Holox po and meron po kasi kaming kailangan po na mag ano po, mag-interview po ng isang business owner po ng cafe po and napili po namin is yung Kadiliman. Is it okay lang po ba?
Yeah, sige lang. Diyan nga kayo ngayon
And
eh.
and and sir, this video po will be recorded. Is it okay po ba?
Yeah, sure. Sige lang.
Ano lang naman po to, sir? Mga 10 questions lang naman po ito.
Okay.
Thank you po. Sir, mag-start na po.
Wait lang, yung okay lang yan, okay lang. Yung papag-usapan natin cafe, yung esports cafe or yung ibang business? Para
About po dito sa computer business po, sir.
okay, sige, no
Kasi
problem.
po related po siya sa IT po.
Okay.
Sir, is my voice is loud and clear po ba?
Yeah, good lang.
Okay po. Start na po.
Mm-mm.
Sir, is it your passion po to run a business like this?
Ako sasabihin ko oo. Kasi maliban sa iba kong ginagawa din, gamer ako na I play video games all the time. Tapos may esports team kami dati, small esports team lang, yung players namin galing college. So, oo, ako kasi gusto ko yung ginagawa ko sa free time, nagiging business din natin. So, kung gaming yung trip nyo, ayun, naghanap kami ng way na pwede i-translate into business, which is ay esports cafe. Ako, passion ko to kasi gamer talaga ako eh.
So, sir, what motivates you po to take this business?
Ayun, so since after ng pandemic, medyo humina yung medyo lumakas yung esports, tapos yung gaming din. So, may parang pagbabalik ng mga competitive gaming, yung tournaments and everything. So, ayun, marami rin magagaling na players, no, na bata. So, malay mo yung next pro player mahanap natin dito sa Kadiliman. Pwede natin tulungan.
Sir, how long have you been into this business?
Actually, itong Kadiliman first franchise ko pa lang to with the group. So, relatively new to the esports cafe scene, pero learning naman din.
I enjoy working into this business po.
Oo naman, like, yun nga, since gaming ang one of the stuff na na-enjoy ko, mas masaya din to be around gaming. So, yun, mga players, mga narinig mong stuff sa likod, yan, good sa good yun. Very enjoy, very, yeah, happy.
Sir, is this your part-time po or is it permanent business po ba? Like, do you have work po ba or this is just a sideline?
Ayun, so sasabihin kong sideline to kasi ang main business ko, I'm a DJ. And then I also have F&B businesses. So restaurants and bars ang main ko. Ito, gagawin ko. So pwede mong siya sabihin part-time na yon kasi kakapasok ko lang, still learning from, the other people from Kadiliman para ma-run yung business. And then eventually, magiging permanent din para at least, tuloy-tuloy lang tong esports cafe namin.
Do you have any advice po that you can give to the other people that who really wants to start a small business?
So, sa kahit na anong business naman, ang pinaka-importante ang pag-isipan nyo talaga. Kasi tayo, habang bata, marami tayong gustong gawin eh. Gusto natin maging ganito, gusto natin maging ganyan, gusto natin itayo. Mahirap i-focus pag marami kang iniisip. So, ang pinaka-maano ko sa inyo, focus kayo on one and start small. Hindi kailangan and grande ka agad yung pag-boss ng business nyo. Pwedeng, yan, circle of friends muna, tapos palaki ng palaki. Huwag kayong magmadali sa business nyo. Tsaka pag-aralan nyo na mabuti yung papasukan nyo. Kasi pwede nyong sabihin, tara, open tayo ng, ayun, like, esports cafe. Ako, akala ko nung una, madali lang eh. Pero na, learning the business and everything, mas maraming, hurdles, mas maraming stuff na natututunan mo na hindi mo alam na magiging problema, na, so kailangan talagang pag-aralan and kailangan 100% in kayo para ayun, lahat kayong nasa business goods. Yan lang.
I forgot
Hello?
po. Are you, can you open your computer?
Open cam?
Yes po.
Sige, sige.
I forgot
Hello?
po. Ayan.
Hello?
Hello. Ayan, sir. Next questions po is, ano po yung, wait lang. Is there any problem po or challenges po sa business na this concept po?
Challenges naman, siguro ang magiging challenge nyo sa comp shop or yung sa amin dati was like hitting the deadline para magbukas, construction stuff, actually securement of PCs madali lang naman. So it was more just the coordination and everything. Pero thankful kami na yung mga nag-handle and tutulong sa amin, very, very tulong. So hindi ganun kalaki yung mga challenges namin to open this one. Siguro yung challenge na lang will be moving forward on siguro pag-maintain ng clientele, introduce new stuff para may maingganyo at saka mahatak yung ibang mga players and other people to come to our business. Yun, learning din naman. So it's a thing.
For the last one po, sir, medyo private po, but how much did you earn in sa business na po ito?
Okay, so we'll talk na lang about business in general. Opening a business in general, not specifically to this one. Ang mapapayo ko with all the businesses na napasukan natin, maglalabas ka muna ng pera bago ka mag-earn. So you have to spend money to earn money. Hindi pwedeng maglalabas ka ng itong amount tapos ayun, next month may pera na kaagad. Kasi maraming ang challenges na darating na ayun, kailangan bayaran, kailangan idagdag, kailangan palitan. So you always have to keep spending. With regards naman to business ako kasi like for example with my other business sa DJ, the minute after I finish my contract and time, bayad kami nun. But with regards to this one, long-term siya. So, don't expect na lang na mababawi nyo kaagad yung pera nyo because unless super swerte kayo, pinagpala kayo, lahat ng perfect na nangyari sa inyo, then sige, you'll get it back really fast. But otherwise, couple of months, sometimes abot ng years. But of course, enjoy naman tayo sa ginagawa natin eh. Going back to the first question, passion natin to. Earning or not, enjoy tayo dito. Mapapasaya natin yung tao. Game lang ng game. Earning a lot, earning a little, earning pa rin yun eh. So, no rush talaga dun. Darating rin yan.
Lang po, thank you, sir. And we have for the other group po that will ask you. Thank you po.
Thank you.